Domain-based message authentication, reporting, and conformance is an email authentication protocol that empowers email domain owners to safeguard their domain against unauthorized use or email spoofing. By publishing a DMARC DNS entry, a domain owner can provide instructions on how incoming emails should be authenticated by receiving email servers. If an email successfully passes the authentication, it is deemed trustworthy and delivered. Otherwise, depending on the DMARC record, it might be delivered, quarantined, or rejected. DMARC builds upon existing email authentication mechanisms like Sender Policy Framework, SPF, and Domain Keys Identified Mail, DKIM. It enables domain owners to set policies in DNS records to specify how to handle failures and includes a reporting mechanism for actions performed under those policies. DMARC does not determine if an email is spam, but ensures alignment between the domain in the from field and other authenticated domain names. In DMARC, alignment is crucial, ensuring that the domain in the message's from field aligns with other authenticated domain names. Alignment can be strict, requiring identical domain names, or relaxed, where the top-level organizational domain matches. DMARC uses SPF to verify if the sending server's IP address is authorized by the domain owner in the SMTP mail from command and DKIM to cryptographically sign email messages, ensuring the integrity of the from field. DMARC records are published in DNS with a subdomain label DMARC, allowing domain owners to monitor SPF and DKIM failure rates and specify policies for handling failed authentication. DMARC offers 3 policies: none for basic monitoring, quarantine for suspicious messages, and reject to outright block failed messages. The policy can be applied to a percentage of failed messages, with the rest handled based on a lower policy. Additionally, DMARC enables subdomain and no-domain policies for customization. DMARC generates aggregate reports sent to specified addresses, RUA, and forensic reports, RUF, containing details of failed messages. These reports aid in improving email deliverability and security posture by allowing domain owners to monitor and address authentication issues effectively. Various types of email forwarding can impact DMARC authentication results due to SPF breaking. Mailing lists often cause legitimate issues with the original author's domain DKIM signature by altering the subject header. To counter this, solutions are being developed by mailing list software providers. One workaround involves disabling all message modifications at the cost of losing some list functionalities. Another effective workaround is to rewrite the from header field, preserving the original author's address in the reply to field while modifying the from field to show the changes made. This method ensures proper functionality when replying to either the author or the list. However, altering the from field is not always ideal, as it can disrupt the expected relationship between the data's meaning and appearance and hinder automated processes. In some cases, wrapping the message can offer a solution for users with email clients that support this feature. Not modifying the message is another option, though it may not always be viable due to legal requirements in certain countries and the potential impact on authentication protocols like SPF. Making adjustments to the from header field to align with DKIM can conflict with RFC 5322 regulations, emphasizing the importance of maintaining the original author's email address integrity within the mailbox field. While the sender header can indicate emails sent on behalf of others, DMARC focuses solely on the from domain and disregards the sender domain in its policy checks. Historical developments include the introduction of the draft DMARC specification in January 2012 and subsequent updates to mailing list software like GNU Mailman to address DMARC policy challenges. Notably, changes in DMARC policy by Yahoo and AOL in 2014 resulted in operational disruptions for several mailing lists, prompting accusations of shifting security burdens onto third parties. In response to evolving DMARC issues, an IETF working group was established in 2014 to tackle interoperability concerns and potentially revise standard specifications. By March 2015, the DMARC specification had been broadly implemented and published as RFC 7489 within the informational category. The Federal Trade Commission's 2017 report on DMARC adoption by businesses revealed varying levels of implementation and highlighted the prevalent use of SPF among surveyed companies. Major contributors to the DMARC specification included prominent email providers like AOL, Google, Yahoo, as well as corporations such as Facebook, JP Morgan Chase, and PayPal. Additionally, intermediaries and vendors like Agari, CloudMark, and ReturnPath have played crucial roles in DMARC analysis and validation services within the commercial sector.